In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic discounts in WordPress using a free discount rules plugin. We'll go through the full process from setup to testing, so by the end, you'll know how to create a discount rule that applies exactly the way you want it to. This is a great option if you want to run promotions, offer category-based discounts, or create quantity-based deals without manually adjusting product prices. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store settings and install the tool you need for the discount setup. Once you're inside WordPress, go to the Plugins area and install the free Discount Rules plugin demonstrated in the video. Be sure to choose the correct free version so you can follow the same workflow shown here. After the plugin finishes installing, activate it. Activating the plugin makes its features available in your dashboard and allows you to start creating pricing rules for your store. Next, open the Plugin's Discount Rules section. This is the main area where you'll manage all of your discount campaigns. From here, click Add New Rule to begin creating a new discount. You'll then need to select the discount type. This is where you decide how the price reduction should work. Depending on your goal, you might choose a percentage discount or a fixed discount amount. Choose the option that matches the promotion you want to run. After that, choose which products or categories should receive the discount. This step is important because it controls where the rule applies. You can target specific items if you're promoting selected products, or entire categories if you want a broader sale across a section of your store. Now enter the discount value. If you selected percentage, type in the percentage you want to reduce. If you selected a fixed discount, enter the amount you want taken off. Double check this part carefully, since even a small mistake here can change how the promotion appears to customers. If needed, add quantity, customer, or cart conditions. These conditions help you make the discount more specific. For example, you may want the rule to apply only when a customer buys a certain number of items, matches a certain customer type, or reaches a cart requirement. Once everything looks correct, save the rule and make sure it's enabled. Saving stores your settings, and enabling the rule makes it active on your store. Finally, add qualifying products to the cart and test the discount. This step helps confirm that the rule is working exactly as expected before customers begin using it. If the discount applies correctly, your setup is complete.